Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we'll show you how to replace the battery on the OnePlus 3T mobile phone. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then undo two bottom screws using a T2 screwdriver. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the charger port using a pry tool or picker. Next, insert a plastic card pry tool or picker and gently move around the phone to release the frame's plastic clips. Be gentle when taking out the back cover and disconnect the battery plug. Next, undo the screw and take out the shield, and then unplug both ends on the main flex cable and top pen connector on the charging port flex. Next, to replace the broken battery, release the adhesive on the sides and pull out the battery by the green tab. Next, place the new battery on the body with protective tape and secure the adhesive on the sides. Next, connect both ends on the main flex cable and top end on the charging port plug into the board. Next, secure the shield by adding the screw. Next, secure the battery connector into the logic board. Next, clamp up the back cover to the body, starting on top and then follow to the bottom, and make sure the rear cover clips are secure on the frame. Next, insert the SIM tray and turn on the phone and then secure two screws at the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the battery replacement guide on OnePlus 3T mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button.